Yes, in another problem, obtain the equation of the sphere which passes through the center circle. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y plus 4z minus 3 is equal to 0, and 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4, and touches the plane 3x plus 4y is equal to 14. It means here given that equation of this sphere which passes through the circle. Circle means one sphere equation and another plane equation together is called circle equation, and that equation touches the given plane. So by this condition we find the equation of the required sphere. So required equation of the sphere is s plus lambda l is equal to 0, that is in the form of s plus lambda l is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y plus 4z minus 3, that is s, and plus some lambda of 2x plus y plus z minus 4 is equal to 0, that is in the form of s plus lambda l is equal to 0. From this s plus lambda l is equal to 0, we write the center and radius. So what is the center? That is minus u minus v minus w. According to that, minus u is the half of the x coefficient, means here minus u means 2 minus 2 lambda by 2, and another one is minus, what is minus v? Minus v means that is minus 2 minus lambda by 2, and minus 4 minus lambda by 2. That is center of our required equation, that is s plus lambda l is equal to 0. So what is radius? That is under root of 1 minus lambda whole square plus minus 2 minus lambda whole square by 2 whole square plus minus 4 minus lambda by 2 whole square plus 3 plus 4 lambda, according to the formula of radius u square plus v square plus w square minus d formula prakaram ఏమవుతుంది, that is under root of, if you elaborate the equation, 1 minus lambda whole square means 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 4 plus lambda square plus 4 lambda by 4 plus again 16 plus lambda square plus here a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now 16 plus lambda square plus here just 4 lambda by 4 and plus 3 plus 4 lambda, like this, under root of 4 plus 4 lambda square. If you substitute these values, and we get 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 4 plus 4 lambda square. If we take L as LCM 4 and simplify it, we get the equation that is 4 lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 9. According to that, 6 lambda square plus 2 lambda square plus 36 by 4 means, if you divide it by 4 lambda 16, that is 6 lambda 4 lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 9. So required equation touches the plane, that is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. It means this is the radius of the sphere, required equation radius. If any corrections is there, just to correct it. And required equation touches this plane means the perpendicular distance from center to the given plane is equal to the radius. According to that one, this is 2 minus 2 lambda by 2 into 3 minus 2 minus lambda by 2 into 4 plus minus 4 minus lambda by 2 into 0 minus 14 by under root of 9 plus 16 is equal to the same. After simplification, 3 lambda plus 3 minus 3 lambda minus 4 minus 2 lambda by 14 by 5 is equal to 4 lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 9, and minus 5 lambda minus 15 by 5 is equal to under root of 4 lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 9. So this is lambda plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 9. Means if you simplify this, after simplification we get the values of lambda is 3 lambda square minus lambda is equal to 0. Means either lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 1 by 3. If you substitute lambda is equal to 0, we get one equation, and lambda is equal to 1 by 3, we get another equation. What is that? The required equation of the spheres is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y plus 4z minus 3 is equal to 0. One, and another one is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y plus 4z minus 3 plus 1 by 3 of 2x plus y plus z minus 4 is equal to 0. After simplification, that is 3 of x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 7y plus 13z minus 13 is equal to 0. If in this simplification, if is there any mistake? No, 99% there is no mistake. If there is mistake, just to correct, simplify it. So we can find the equation of the, what equation this is? Passing through the circle and touches the plane. Passing through this circle means, just simply write s plus lambda l is equal to 0. s plus lambda l is equal to 0 లో కేంద్రం నుండి దాని యొక్క లంబ దూరాన్ని కనుక్కొని ఆ లంబ దూరము వ్యాసార్థానికి సమానమని తీసుకొని సింప్లిఫై చేసినట్లయితే we get the value of lambda. Here we get two values of lambda because lambda is here second degree equation. That's why 2 lambda x square y square like this, and then 3 of x square plus y square. This is the final equations where the lambda values, lambda is equal to 0 lambda and lambda is equal to 1 by 3. Substitute in the s plus lambda is equal to 0 equation. So we get two equations of spheres. Another type of problem. Find the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere 3 of x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z minus 22 is equal to 0, and point is 1, 2, 3. It means find the equation of the tangent plane of the sphere at what point, that is 1, 2, 3. First of all, we know the what is tangent plane. Tangent plane means the plane which touches only at a single point to the sphere. That plane is called tangent plane to the sphere. ఒకే ఒక బిందువు వద్ద ఒక తలము గోళాన్ని ఖండించినట్లయితే దానిని ఏమనాలి? టాంజెంట్ ప్లేన్ అంటారు. So find the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere, that is 3 of x square plus y square plus z square, and minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z minus 22 is equal to 0, and the point x square and point x and point 1 2 3. So what is the formula to find the tangent plane of the sphere at x1 y1 z1 is xx1 plus yy1 plus zz1 plus 4 of x plus x1, sorry, this is formula xx1 plus yy1 plus zz1 plus u of x plus x1 plus v of y plus y1 plus w of z plus z1 plus d is equal to 0. So a given sphere equation is what? That is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 by 3x. This is in general form. Minus 2 by 3x minus y minus 4 by 3 z minus 22 by 3 is equal to 0. So this is the given sphere equation. If this sphere equation is not in normal form, that is general form, definitely first we change the equation in general form. We can change this, and u is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 3, and v is equal to minus 1 by 2, w is equal to minus 2 by 3, and d is equal to minus 22 by 3, x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2, z1 is equal to 3. ఈ పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ మనకు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయి? u, v, w, d values from the given sphere, and x1, y1, z1 is the point. Suppose if we cannot change the equation in general normal form, that is with 3, we cannot write the values of u, v, w and d. First of all, definitely we change the x square, y square, z square coefficients as 1 1 1. Then we submit it. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2 by 3. So what is u, what is v, what is w, what is d, and what is x1, what is y1, what is z1, we know here. X into 1 plus y into 2 plus z into 3 minus 1 by 3 of x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 of y plus 2 minus 2 by 3 of z plus 3 minus 22 by 3 is equal to 0. If we simplify it, what we get? 6x, because LCM is 6. From that, 6x plus 12y plus 18z minus 2x minus 2 minus 3y minus 6 minus 4z minus 12 and minus 44 equal to 0. After simplification, we got it 4x plus 9y plus 14z minus 64 is equal to 0. This is the tangent plane for the given sphere. For what condition? That is at the point 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3 is called the point of contact. Otherwise, suppose sometimes gives us the sphere equation is given and plane equation is given. Find the point of contact. We can follow this method by using this formula and comparing the coefficients of x, y, z, x1, y1, z1, w, and constant d. Then we get the values of x1, y1, z1, that is point of contact. But here point of contact is given and sphere is given. We can find the equation of tangent plane. If the tangent plane and sphere is given, we can find the point of contact also. Yes, this is important thing. Pole of the plane. What is pole? Pole of the plane means pole of the plane. What is the pole of the plane? It means to find the pole of the plane, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P. This is the plane equation. With respect to the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. If the plane and sphere is given, then pole of the plane is alpha sphere x square alpha. If alpha beta gamma be the required pole, then we see that the equation number 1, the equation is identified with the, see that on the comparing 1 and 2 we obtain alpha by L. Here is alpha. Comparing 1 and 2, alpha by L is equal to beta by M is equal to gamma by N is equal to a square by P. Alpha is equal to a square x by P and beta is equal to a square M by P. Gamma is equal to a square N by P. So when the plane equation and sphere equation is given, you can find the values of alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are the planes pole for the required plane. So how can we find it? Means we can find the values. Alpha is equal to a square L by P. What is a square here? A square is the x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square is there. That is a square. L means the coefficient of x and P is the constant in the plane. Like that, these are values. Find the values of alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma denotes as a pole of the plane. Thus the point a square L by P, comma a square M by P, comma a square N by P are called the pole of the spheres. When you say these are the pole of the spheres, if the equation is passing through the center, means passing through the origin. Center is the origin, that is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square and Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P. This is the plane and that is the sphere. If both are in the same this way, then we can find the pole of the planes. Plane is in the form, this form, and sphere equation is in this form. So that is pole of the plane. Is the pole of the plane Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P with respect to the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. This is for information pole. Now we say conjugate points. Conjugate points in the plane, sphere. What is conjugate points? What are the conjugate points? Means if 2 points such that the polar plane of Q passes through P are called conjugate points. Suppose that చూడండి ఇక్కడ how to find the conjugate points, just explain in Telugu also. సపోజ్ మనకు 2 బిందువులు ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, ఏ కామా పీ కామా క్యూ అనే 2 బిందువులు ఇచ్చి ఒక స్పియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చి ఆ 2 బిందువులు ఆ స్పియర్కు కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్ అనే సంయుగ్మ బిందువులని చూపాలి. సంయుగ్మ బిందువులు చూపాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ ఫైండ్ ది pole equation of the plane. What is the formula? Same, that is xx1 plus yy1 plus zz1 plus u of x plus x1. ఆ ఫార్ములాతో ఏం చేయాలి, ఒక పాయింట్ ఒక స్పియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకొని దాని నుండి పోల్ ప్లేన్ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తే పోల్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది, ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్లో జస్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ది సెకండ్ పాయింట్ క్యూ. ఇఫ్ క్యూ సాటిస్ఫైస్ దట్ పోలార్ ప్లేన్, then the 2 points is called P and Q are called conjugates. Conjugate points in expression చూడండి. If A comma B are any 2 points and S is equal to 0 is the sphere, A comma B రెండు బిందువులు ఇచ్చాడు మనకు. తర్వాత S is equal to 0 is the sphere. Find the pole of the sphere at ఏ వద్ద స్పియర్కు పోల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఆ పోల్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇఫ్ బి సాటిస్ఫైస్ దట్ పోల్ ఈక్వేషన్, దెన్ వి సే దట్ ఏ కామా బి ఆర్ కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్. ఇఫ్ ఏ కామా బి ఆర్ ఎనీ 2 పాయింట్స్ అండ్ S is equal to 0 is the sphere, find the pole of the sphere at A. If B satisfy that equation, then we say that A comma B are conjugate points. It's a very important topic. First we want to prove the A 2 points are conjugate with respect to the sphere, given sphere. With respect to the sphere means what is that sphere? S is equal to 0 is the sphere and A comma B are any 2 points. If you find otherwise, you find the polar plane at B and satisfy with A, then also A comma B are called conjugate points. This is to find the conjugate points with respect to the sphere. What is conjugate planes? Conjugate plane means 2 planes such that the pole of either lies on the other are called conjugate planes. You see, if they give 2 planes, that L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0, రెండు ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, ఒక స్పియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చి you show that L1 L2 are the conjugate planes. What can we do? First we can prove that find the equation of, first we find the pole for any plane, either L1 is equal to 0 or L2 is equal to 0. రెండింటికి ఏదో ఒక దానికి పోల్ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి బై యూజింగ్ ది ప్రాసెస్. ఆ వచ్చిన పోల్ను సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు, ఇఫ్ దట్ సాటిస్ఫైస్ ది సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఇఫ్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ satisfies the second polar plane, then we say that P1, then we say that the 2 points are conjugate planes. 2 planes are called conjugate planes.